Hi guys, welcome to your writing lesson for this week. So we learned a few weeks ago that we are starting a new type of writing, which is called opinion writing. Can you tell me what opinion means? I'll give you a clue. Opinion means what you think or feel about something. So it's not always something that can be right or wrong. It's not something that you're just going to teach us about something true. It's telling us your opinion, telling us how you think or feel about a certain topic. You guys have been doing an amazing job with your opinion writing so far, and I've loved getting to read about the opinions that you have about things like pets and like foods we eat and different things like that. So today we're going to continue with our opinion writing, and we are going to talk about what you think is the best shape. So we learned earlier in kindergarten about all different kinds of shapes. We learned about flat shapes and solid shapes. We learned about their attributes. We learned about different objects that have those shapes. So your job today is to think of what your favorite shape is, or what shape you think is the best shape. And remember, when we do opinion, we have to be able to tell our reasons why. So I know the first thing writers do is they think about it. So I got to think about my favorite shape. I know what mine is. My favorite shape is a cube. I think a cube is the best shape. So the first thing good writers do is they think about it. Then we have to draw a quick picture. Remember, picture doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to get your idea onto your paper. So I'm going to draw a quick picture of a cube. I learned a few years ago how to draw a cube, and it's kind of difficult, but I'm going to try my best. And remember, the picture doesn't have to be perfect. It's just to get your idea on the paper. All right, so there is my cube. Best I can, not perfect, that's okay. But now we're going to write a label. This label will help our readers to know what our picture is if they didn't just know by looking at it. So I'm going to stretch out the word cube. Ready? Cube. K-U-B. Cube. Okay, the first sound, cube. K. Could be a C or a K. I'm going to go with a C for this one. Cube. K-U. What do you hear there? I hear U like unicorn. Keep that in your mind. Cube. U-B. And what says B? B. But wait, what do I need in order to make that U say U like unicorn and not like up? I need a silent, sneaky E to change that U to the long U. All right, so I thought about it. I think the best shape's cube. So I drew a quick picture of a cube, and then I wrote my label, C-U-B, cube. So now the next thing I have to do is plan my sentences. So remember, when we plan our sentence, we tap out the whole sentence. That way, when we go to write it, we sort of know where we're going with our writing. We don't just kind of make it up as we go. So I'm telling you that in my opinion, the best shape is a cube. And I have to think of some reasons why. But let's start there. So I'm going to tap out my first sentence. The best shape is a cube. We're going to start at the beginning here. What's my first word? The. And how do I spell the? T-H. E. And I did a big T there because a sentence begins with a capital letter. And then the rest of my letters are going to be lowercase. I said the best. The best. Let's stretch out best. We did this last week. Best. B. St. That's two sounds. St. What are the letters there? S-T. Good. The best what? And we're talking about the best pet this week, the best food this week. Oh, right, we're talking about the best shape. Okay, this is going to be a fun one. Let's stretch out shape. Ready? Shape. Sh-a-p. Shape. First sound, go. Shape. Sh. What says sh? S-H. Okay, shape. Sh-a. What says a? A. Like acorn. We're going to need something, though, to make that A say its long sound. We'll get back to that. Shape. Sh-a-p. What says P? P. Now, what do we need to make that A change from A to A? We need that to be a long A. What do we need? A silent, sneaky E. Nice job. Okay, now we always go back and read. The best shape is, how do we spell is? I-S. Good. Always go back and read. The best shape is A. This is an easy one. How do I spell A? A, and it's still lowercase because I'm right in the middle of my sentence here. The best shape is what did I say was the best shape? What's my opinion? Oh yeah, a cube. Now we can stretch out cube again, or we can use the resource we just made in our label. How do I spell cube? Good, C-U-B-E. I'm gonna leave a space because it's a new word. C-U-B-E. Now, what do I need? I'm gonna go back and read it. The best shape is a cube. That's the end of that sentence. That's the end of that thought. So what do I need? Yeah, I need to dot it. I need to put a period to say I'm done with that thought. Now, like I said, when you write an opinion piece, you have to give some reasons why. So let me tell you some reasons why I think a cube is the best shape. I think it's the best shape because it's like a box, and I like boxes because boxes remind me of when I get packages because I've ordered something online or someone sent me a gift. So I like boxes. So I like cubes because they're shaped like a box. I also like that it has 6 faces. And I also like that a lot of different things in real life are shaped like cubes. So I'm going to pick one of those to start with. Maybe I'll start with it is like a box. So let me tap that out. It is like a box. Okay? My first word was it. How do I spell it? I-T. Why did I do a capital I? Because the sentence begins with a capital letter. It is, how do I spell is? I-S. Good. It is like. Ooh, like was a sight word too. Even if it wasn't, we could probably figure it out because I, k. And in order to make that I say I, we need that silent sneaky E. So even if like wasn't a sight word, we'd be able to figure that one out. It is like a, how do I spell A? A, good. It is like a box. We can finger stretch. Box, easy peasy. Ready? Box. B-ox. Box. First sound, go. Box. B. What says B? B. Good. Box. B-ah. What says ah? O. Box. B-ox. What says x? X. Nice job. Let's go back and read it. It is like a box. What comes at the end of a sentence? Yeah, a period. We have to say we're done with that sentence. So I would continue on. I would keep going. I would say maybe it has 6 faces. I can add more details. When you think you're done, you've just begun, you can add more details. And in this case, in opinion writing, more reasons. But I'm going to pause there so that you have time to write your opinion piece. I want you to teach me and your teachers and your classmates with your writing what you think the best shape is. So we, like I said, learned in math about so many different shapes. Some were flat, some were solid, or 2D and 3D. So I want you to pick what you think is the best shape. And then in an opinion piece, you're going to tell us what is the best shape, and then you're going to give us at least 2 reasons why that's the best shape. We can't wait to see your writing, and we can't wait to see what your opinion is about the best shape. Bye, guys.